Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to track your Amazon package. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a delivery or just want to stay updated on where your order is, this simple process will give you all the tracking details you need in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. This will bring you to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your order information. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a menu option labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Orders. This section is your central hub for managing everything you've purchased on Amazon, from recent buys to past deliveries. Once you're on the Orders page, you'll see a list of all your recent purchases. Although I don't have any active orders right now, I'll walk you through what you'd see next. Each order will be displayed with basic information like the product name, order date, and delivery status. This makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Find the specific order you want to track. You can scroll through the list or use the search filters if you have many orders to sift through. Once you've located the right order, look for a button or link next to it that says Track Package. Click on this option to proceed. After clicking Track Package, Amazon will take you to a detailed tracking page. Here you'll be able to review the current delivery status of your package, which might say something like out for delivery, in transit, or delivered. You'll also see the estimated delivery date prominently displayed so you know exactly when to expect your item. Additionally, the page will show tracking updates that provide a timeline of your package's journey from the warehouse to your doorstep. This includes stops along the way, departure and arrival times at different facilities, and any delays if they occur. And that's all there is to it. You now have full visibility into where your Amazon package is and when it should arrive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.